Le nguyazana ibibandakanya nabafundi bezikole ezahlukene esifundeni sikamasipala wakwaDukuza. Imeya yalo masipala ibonge inhlangano yomasipala ngokuletha le nguyazana kulo masipala yabalula nobumqoka bayo.
Today's gathering is necessary because the impacts of climate change continue to test our resilience, with unpredictable weather patterns affecting our budget, infrastructure and communities.
Imeya iphinde yathi izikhukhula zangonyaka ka-2022 zakhombisa ukuthi izwe lisenkingeni yokubhekana nokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu.
The disruptive flood disaster of April 2022 were a clear indication that we're in a climate crisis. This, coupled with severe economic pressures, including the rising cost of living, underscoring the urgency to deliver equitable and sustainable services.
Isalga ithi kumele kubanjiswane ukubhekana nokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu kuleli ikakhulukazi esifundazweni.
With an emphasis on collaboration between local government, traditional authorities, community organization, civil society, and the private sector to build climate change, resilient, and disaster-prepared communities. It is very important, Mhlonishwa Mayor, that we are always ready and don't be responsive.
Eminye iminyango ebibambe iqhaza umnyango wezamahlathi nokudoba. Le nguyazana izoqhubeka nakwezinye izifunda.